Hey, Denise here. Well, typically Sunday is reserved for meal prepping, and I decided today to take a trip to my natural grocers. And if you don't have one near you, you are missing out. I'll give you a little tour. And there are 4 aisles that are exactly like this, all filled with all types of vitamins and minerals and herbal remedies. And this place is just a powerhouse. And as a nutritional therapist, I can't tell you how many times I get asked by clients, well, should I be taking a multivitamin? And they hear from their normal doctors, don't worry about that multivitamin, it's not gonna help. Well, I disagree. I think there is great room to have a multivitamin on a daily basis. And by eating the standard American diet, which does not really have enough fruits and vegetables in our diet, we are missing out on some basic supplementation to get all of the antioxidants and get all the vitamins and minerals that we need in our diet. So that is something I highly recommend for any of my clients, is a basic multivitamin. And I guess I'm cruising on down here and I haven't gotten to the basic vitamins, but when we stop there, I'll go ahead and check and see what they have. And today I just wanted to talk a little bit about 2 things. One is sleep. And I hear from a lot of clients that they aren't getting a lot of sleep. They're waking up at 2 a.m., they have insomnia, they're having a hard time getting to sleep, and then they can't stay asleep, and then they get up early. And they're having a lot of rumination, maybe some anxiety and that sort of thing. And I just wanted to say that sleep is so important when we're healing after divorce and after a toxic relationship. It is so important that we get sleep. And during the night when we sleep and we get 8 hours, that's when our body repairs itself. And it's so essential for us to get sleep because it repairs our DNA. It repairs all of our structures in our body. It actually is anti-aging, and the stress cortisol hormone is decreased during the nighttime. And so if we aren't getting our sleep, then all of those repair functions during sleep go away. And especially if we're ruminating and we're getting up and we're not able to go to sleep, and we're keep getting up, that's just less and less time for our body to repair itself. And so, one of the things that I wanted to talk about today is, there's a simple remedy that can help in a lot of ways. And, this is magnesium glycinate. It's really easy on the tummy. It's really great for releasing muscle tension. And, it's a great aid to go to sleep. And, I recommend that to most of my clients, that taking some magnesium glycinate before bed is something that really helps to prepare the body for sleep. And it helps decrease the muscle tension in our body, so it's easier for us to go to sleep. And so, that's an easy thing to do rather than, relying on some sleep aids, that are like the NyQuil's in there, then you got Tylenol PM. And those type of medications really do kind of leave a groggy effect, and that's not something that I really enjoy. And I don't know too many of my clients that like that stuff long term. But having a very simple magnesium glycinate, take that before bed, is just an amazing little Kickstarter, and it's all natural. And, we get magnesium in our green vegetables, and, who eats enough green vegetables where we get all the benefit of that? But if we supplement, and, as a nutritional therapist, using natural supplements and also food as a therapeutic to our body, and is just a great thing. So I really recommend magnesium glycinate is one thing for sleep. And there's a whole host of other things that can get layered in there, but that's the basic piece that I tell all of my lady clients. So that's a little tip here. And again, I think I must have gone around to not see the multivitamins here. And it's kind of hard. They got so many different things in here. Look at all this. And I think there's a lot of protein items. Oh, multivitamins here. So let's see what we got. Multivitamins. Well, I recommend, especially for my lady clients, anything that is women-based. And I know a really nice one here is Mega Foods. And I know this is like cold pressed is a really good one here. And I believe that they are out of the East Coast. And I did some research on them before. And, I think this is a really good multivitamin. And again, they usually have one for women, but I don't see that here. But it might be in the other aisle. But this is one a day, and it's a Mega Foods. That's the brand name, and it's one a day. And it has a lot of great things in here. And the thing that I really look for in a vitamin is pantothenic acid. That's the number one thing that I look for in any vitamin. And that is just a stress buster. And most vitamins, if you take a look at them, they don't have enough pantothenic acid in it to really make it worth your while. So this one has 200% and it has 10 mgs. And it has a whole host of all of the A, C, D, vitamin E, vitamin K, niacin, vitamin B6, vitamin B12. And again, we've got all of the basics in here. So I highly recommend this one, and I believe that it is cold pressed, meaning it doesn't really go through a whole production cycle on that, which maintains the integrity of the different components in the vitamin. So we talked about a multivitamin, we talked about some insomnia things, and the other thing that I wanted to talk about that I've been thinking about is that I used to work graveyard, and I only have one more shift where I'm going to be working my last graveyard shift. I'm so excited. Graveyard and me just didn't work out. So I'm going to be starting to work during the days, and that leaves some time for me to be able to do something called a self-care circle. And I was thinking about having that on Saturday mornings. And that would be a sisterhood element where there would be a topic about self-care and also about sharing. And I think that there's some great benefit to sharing with other women and having the ability to share with others who are on the same journey. So if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead and drop that in the comments that you're interested in sisterhood. And, I know for me on my healing journey, it's been hard to find other single women who are middle-aged, going through divorce or after divorce or navigating singlehood. And to be honest, just couple people, people who are your couple friends, they just don't get it. They're not in the same boat. And to have other women who are on the same journey can be very powerful and just very supportive. And so I've been really considering getting that sisterhood going. And if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and drop me a comment down below, and I'll get some details together for when that's going to start up. So anyway, I wanted to wish you a happy Sunday, and you have a little bit of some info on vitamins and also some really basic insomnia that's natural with magnesium glycinate. So if you have any other questions for me, go ahead and drop those in the comments, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.